Can you change your TikTok username before 30 days? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll show you if you can change your TikTok username before the 30-day waiting time. So if you've accidentally changed your username or simply want to change it again sooner than TikTok normally allows, here's what you need to do. First, go to your TikTok profile and then go to the three horizontal lines and tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on report a problem, that is under support and about. Once you do that, search for username and select unable to change your username. For that, you need to tap on account and profile, then tap on editing profile, tap on unable to change username, and on the next screen tap on no, tap on need more help. Now this will open a chat menu, and here in this page you need to explain that you accidentally changed your user name and you need to change it as soon as possible, or it's not appropriate, and simply give your reasons. Tell them that TikTok won't let you change it before 30 days and kindly ask them to resolve the problem so that you can change it sooner. Submit the form and wait for a day or two for TikTok to respond. This should then allow you to change your username even if the 30 days haven't passed. So that's it. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.